Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to dispute a charge on your Capital One credit card. So if you've been wondering how to do this video is for you. It's going to be a quick one. I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide, so let's just get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to do is, of course, to log into your Capital One accounts. Now you can log into your account on the official website, or you can do that through the Capital One mobile app. So once you're logged into your account, you're just gonna click on the dispute a charge button, and that's gonna start the dispute process. Next, you're gonna enter the dispute detail, including the transaction date, amount, and of course the reason for the dispute. Now if you have supporting documents, you're gonna need to upload that. Could be receipts or invoices. Just upload that to support your dispute. And once that's done, just review and confirm the dispute's details. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to dispute a charge on your Capital One credit card. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.